Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to rotate objects and shapes in your designs and Affinity Designer in 2026. So let's get started. So head over to your design on Affinity, and let me go with this object here, right? So what you want to do is, there are different ways how you can rotate objects and shapes, depending on how much control you need. Whether you want to quickly rotate an object by hand, set an exact rotation angle, or rotate it around a specific point, Affinity Designer gives you multiple options. Option number 1. You left-click into it, and you will see this rotation angle here at the top. Hold your mouse over it. You will see that the cursor changes its appearance to this double-headed arrow. Left-click, hold your left mouse, and then move your mouse to rotate the object. This method is the fastest way when you simply want to rotate your object freely and visually adjust its position. It works really well when you are creating layouts, adjusting illustrations, or making quick design changes where an exact angle is not required. So that's option number 1. Option number 2. You left-click into the shape, and then guys, what you want to do is click into here, under Transform in the bottom right. Click into this drop-down menu here to adjust the rotation. This option gives you more control because you can manually adjust the rotation settings instead of moving the object with your mouse. Could do it, for example, like that, and rotate, for example, in connection with one of these angles. So if you, for example, choose the center of the object, you may rotate it like this by using that slider. This is useful when you want your object to rotate around its center point, which is commonly used for logos, icons, shapes, and other design elements. But if you select one of the corners, you may rotate in alignment with, let me just click into it. You may rotate the object in alignment with the point, as you can see. This is helpful when you want to create specific design effects, align objects with other elements, or rotate something from a fixed position instead of the middle. So that's the second option. And then there's also the option, guys, to rotate objects by using this button here at the top. But instead of using flip horizontal, use rotate clockwise or anti-clockwise. So that's actually option number 3. This method is useful when you want to rotate an object by a fixed direction without manually adjusting the angle. For example, you can quickly turn an object clockwise or move it back using the anti-clockwise option. These rotation tools can save a lot of time when working on complex designs because you don't have to manually adjust every object. You can choose the method that best fits your workflow, whether it is quick editing, precise adjustments, or fixed rotations. So yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.